We grow up being told what we should be. Follow the familiar path. Take the safe route. But no one asks, what if you want to create something of your own? What if you want to tackle real challenges, make a difference, and build something that could change lives? The journey isn't easy. It's full of challenges, and the road can be lonely. But for those who dare to dream big, the rewards can shape not only your future, but the future of your community. But you don't have to walk it alone. The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 5.0 is here to support those who are ready to rise above the barriers. This is more than a competition. It's a movement, a chance to access the mentorship, resources, and support you need to make your impact bigger, to take what you've started and scale it to new heights. This challenge, launched by the government of Meghalaya, is designed to support innovative businesses and early-stage enterprises. It's more than just a competition, it's a platform that offers mentorship, funding, and resources through Prime's 9th-month incubation program. If you're a resident of Meghalaya with an existing business and are ready to scale, this is your chance. The top 75 will receive business support grants, with the top 35 receiving 2 lakhs and the top 40 earning 1 lakh to fuel their growth. You'll also get access to incubation programs, networking opportunities with successful entrepreneurs, and a suite of essential startup tools. In addition, you'll benefit from one-on-one mentoring with seasoned professionals, boot camps to sharpen your skills, and access to funding, market connections, and co-working spaces in Shillong and Tura. It's time to go beyond dreaming. The future is yours to shape.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.